Hi everyone, this is my ultimate spa plaque. I used the wood plaque that I got from the Dollar Tree for a penny and placed spa items in it. I started with the vanilla lotion as well as the vanilla body scrub. I used the Fiera Stiletto perfume, and underneath that is the satin bonnet. I have a head wrap in here as well, and the facial massagers. I also have 24 karat gold iPads in here, a chocolate rose, a box of candy hearts, and the red candy box on the side there. This plaque has turned out absolutely stunning. I wrapped it with the shrink wrap, and all the items are taped in place so that nothing falls or moves around. Tell me your thoughts on this and how you think I should price this. Please leave your thoughts in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for tuning in to the Crafty Corner, where you are crafting with Katrina. Bye-bye.